Welcome. Today, we're sharing the top 24 best home and kitchen gadgets that will simplify your life and make your home smarter. From cooking tools to cleaning helpers, these gadgets are a must-have. Let's jump in. The KitchenAid Classic Pizza Wheel is your ultimate slicing companion. Designed for effortless cuts through pizza, pies, waffles, and more. Its sharp stainless steel blade ensures clean, precise slices while keeping toppings intact. Crafted with an ergonomic handle and built-in finger guard, it provides comfort and safety during use. The Marbrasa Desk Organizer combines functionality and elegance to declutter and enhance your workspace. This all-in-one organizer features 5 sliding trays, 2 magazine holders, 2 hanging pencil holders, and a sliding drawer, providing ample storage for documents, stationery, and office supplies. Made from durable metal mesh with a reinforced steel frame, it ensures long-lasting reliability. Its unique design is easy to assemble and fits seamlessly into any office setting. Perfect for optimizing space and keeping essentials within reach. Upgrade your kitchen with Basic House reusable silicone stretch lids designed for effortless food storage and sustainability. These BPA-free, food-grade silicone lids stretch to fit various containers, providing a secure seal to keep your food fresh. With 7 sizes ranging from large bowls to small containers, they eliminate the need for matching lids or saving you money. The King Ray Luxury Bucket Towel Warmer. Designed for large capacities, it accommodates up to 2 oversized bath towels, robes, blankets, or pajamas, offering spa-like warmth right at home. This stylish compact warmer heats quickly, achieving cozy temperatures in just minutes and evenly distributing warmth without cold spots. With its easy single-button control and quiet operation, it ensures a hassle-free experience perfect for everyday luxury or as a thoughtful gift. This versatile warmer elevates your bathroom routine and makes a delightful addition to any home, pool house, spa, or salon. The Google Nest Learning Thermostat. This intelligent thermostat adapts to your preferences, optimizing energy use while maintaining a cozy atmosphere. It comes equipped with a Nest temperature sensor to manage hot and cold spots, ensuring precise control across rooms. Its compatibility with Alexa and Google Home app enables effortless voice and app-based adjustments. Featuring a sleek, polished design with a vibrant display, it integrates seamlessly into modern home. Save energy, cut cost, and enhance your living space with this innovative solution. The Cosori Electric Kettle combines style, safety, and performance for your everyday needs. Designed with a stainless steel inner lid and filter, it ensures water never comes in contact with plastic, offering a pure and safe boiling experience. Powered by a 1500W British Strix thermostat, it rapidly boils water in minutes, while features like automatic shutoff and boil dry protection provide added safety. Its drip-free spout and scald-proof lid allow precise pouring, while a modern blue LED indicator light adds a touch of elegance. The GiveBest Portable Electric Space Heater offers efficient and safe heating with a compact design. Featuring 2 heat settings and a cool air fan, it adapts for year-round use. Its thermostat control ensures consistent comfort by cycling on and off based on the preset temperature. Built with a multi-safety protection system, it includes tip-over and overheat protection, providing peace of mind. Quiet operation below 45 decibels makes it ideal for bedrooms or offices. The Zule Kitchen stainless steel soup ladle combines elegance and durability for your everyday cooking needs. Crafted from heavy-duty food-grade stainless steel with a polished mirror finish, it's rust-resistant and heat-resistant. The ergonomic design features a long, comfortable handle with a thumb rest for secure grip, while the ample bowl capacity is perfect for serving soups, stews, or sauces. Versatile and functional, this ladle is easy to clean, dishwasher-safe, and includes a built-in hanging hole for storage. The Gaiatop USB Desk Fan combines powerful cooling with a compact design, perfect for personal use at home, the office, or on the go. Its upgraded motor ensures strong airflow with minimal noise, offering 3-speed options to suit your comfort. The fan's detachable cover makes cleaning effortless, while its stable base with anti-skid silicone pads prevents tipping. USB-powered matter secures and airly precipitates, and after surgery, the reprieves and drying air protects the heat circulation of cells and the lowest temperatures. The fan's detachable cover makes cleaning efficient with minimal noise, offering it easier to clean up and reset it than conventional type of deck. The Casa Culina 2-in-1 microwave splatter cover and silicone mat is your kitchen multitasking solution. This durable, high-temperature resistant set keeps your microwave clean while doubling as a colander and bowl holder. The collapsible design ensures easy storage, and vented holes allow airflow during heating. Its pleated heat-resistant silicone mat serves multiple purposes, from a pot holder to a drying mat. Designed for convenience and safety, this versatile set simplifies meal prep and cleanup. The Nova 6-shelf hanging closet organizer maximizes your storage space with its durable, non-woven fabric construction and sturdy bamboo inserts. Featuring 6 compartments and side pockets, it's perfect for organizing clothes and smaller essentials efficiently. Ideal for those looking to optimize closet space, this hanging organizer simplifies your mornings by letting you plan outfits ahead of time. Its compact, space-saving design fits seamlessly into any closet setup. The Rui EX holders you and the creators behind it expandable or separate racks. It offers customizable storage solutions for kitchens, cleaning equipment, wash hammers, made from durable rust-resistant iron with a protective rubber coating. It ensures stability for heavy cookware while preventing scratches. Featuring 10 adjustable devices and a U-shaped groove design, it accommodates pots, pans, and lids of various sizes securely. With 2 DIY setup options and countertops, the Secret wireless doorbell offers convenience and reliability for your home or workspace. With a 1,000-foot range, 58 chimes, adjustable volume up to 120 dB, and a colorful LED indicator, you'll never miss a visitor. The waterproof design and easy installation make it suitable for various environments, from homes and apartments to offices and hospitals. Prepared components and expandable options ensure seamless setup and versatility. The F-Show Corn Stripper is a handy tool for quickly removing kernels from corn with ease. Designed with sharp alloy serrations and an 18/8 stainless steel blade, it efficiently strips kernels without waste or mess. Its non-slip design ensures safe handling, while the included bowl and grater cap add versatility for prepping cheese and veggies. Durable and easy to clean, this corn peeler is perfect for fresh, cooked, or dry corn. The FYY over-the-door hooks are a practical solution for maximizing storage and keeping your spaces organized. Made of durable, rust-resistant metal with a smooth chrome finish, these hooks support up to 20 pounds each. The soft rubber coating prevents scratches on doors and protects your items. Designed to fit most doors with widths ranging from 0.7 to 1.4 inches, these hooks are perfect for hanging clothes, towels. The ISSE EV Sushi Making Kit is your ultimate DIY sushi solution, perfect for beginners and professionals alike. Made from premium natural bamboo and food-grade, BPA-free plastic, this kit is safe, durable, and easy to use. With a sushi bazooka, bamboo mats, paddle, spreader, sushi knife, chopsticks, and holders included, it provides everything you need to craft delicious sushi in minutes. Elevate your cooking experience. Enjoy healthier homemade meals and impress your family and friends with a sushi party at home. The Spring Spirit Queen Mattress Protector ensures your bed stays fresh and clean while offering unmatched comfort. Its ultra-soft terry fabric is breathable and gentle on the skin, paired with a premium waterproof membrane to shield against spills and stains. Perfect for families with kids, pets, or elderly members. Designed for a snug fit with strong elastic edges, this protector is easy to install and stays securely in place. The Enorous Cold Press Juicer is your ultimate solution for fresh, nutrient-packed juices. With a powerful 400W motor and advanced masticating technology, This juicer delivers high juice yields while retaining maximum nutrients. Its 5.4-inch wide feed chute allows whole fruits and vegetables to be juiced effortlessly, reducing prep time and making it safe for kids. The 7-stage spiral auger minimizes clogging and extracts 30% more juice. The Beka floating shelves blend modern design with practical functionality, perfect for any room. Crafted from durable engineered wood and treated with a protective sealant, these shelves resist warping and damage. Each shelf holds up to 22 PAs, offering ample space for storage and decoration. Measuring 16 inches in length, they're ideal for bedrooms, kitchens, bathrooms, or living rooms. The hidden brackets ensure a sleek, wall-mounted look. The Dice Pro Lemon Zester and Cheese Grater is a durable stainless steel kitchen tool with a non-slip handle for easy use. Its sharp blade effortlessly grates cheeses, zests citrus, and shreds vegetables with minimal effort. Compact and easy to clean, it replaces bulky graters and food processors. Plus, it comes with a lifetime warranty and a free Healthy Cooking Tips ebook, making it a must-have for any kitchen. The Chum Chum Roller is a reusable pet hair remover that efficiently removes dog and cat hair from furniture, carpets, bedding, and clothing. Unlike traditional lint rollers, it features a deep cleaning mechanism with no adhesives or sticky tape. Simply roll back and forth to collect fur into the built-in receptacle, then empty it with the press of a button. The Mazer's 3-tier collapsible bowl is a versatile and space-saving serving solution. Made from durable ABS plastic, this bowl set includes a top sectional bowl, perfect for serving dips, nuts, or candies, while the bottom bowls are ideal for snacks, salads, or fruits. The bowls twist down and nest inside each other for easy storage. Whether for holiday dinners, office parties, or family barbecues, the MaxTed Large Door Draft Stopper is an efficient solution for blocking cold air, noise, light, and odors. Designed with a 2-inch diameter foam, it covers door gaps from 0.5 to 1.7, making it ideal for winter comfort. The Purify You set of 9 reusable grocery bags is a practical, eco-friendly choice for shopping, food storage, and organization. The set includes 5 standard size and 4 extra-large bags made from durable, washable mesh with strong handles. These bags are see-through for easy visibility and breathability, helping keep produce fresh. Versatile and sustainable, they can be used for groceries, beach trips, or travel, reducing plastic waste while keeping you organized.